Ever wonder why a walk in the park feels so refreshing? Nature, my friends, is a powerful mood booster. Picture this: you're surrounded by towering trees, the air is fresh, and the only sound is birdsong. You're far from the hustle and bustle of city life. Being in nature helps decrease levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and increases serotonin, the happy hormone. It's not just about feeling good, it's about brain health. Studies show that regular exposure to nature can help prevent mental health disorders and improve cognitive function. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed or just need a break, consider escaping into nature. It's a simple, accessible, and effective way to maintain a positive mind. Remember, a healthy mind thrives in a healthy environment. And what's healthier than nature itself? Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep exploring the great outdoors.